Let's look into how a salesperson can spot a stalled trial. These are the trials that have gone quiet. They have low usage, low engagement, and low odds of converting. To find them, we'll go to the Acquire module right here, and then we'll scroll down to our active trials. This is all of our trials that are currently going on, and this view gives us a snapshot of every single one of them. Now we want to identify low engagement accounts. Once we're in the active trials tab, we'll want to look for accounts with low engagement by seeking out flat or downwards trend lines and a low conversion probability. When you see these three together, that's usually a stalled trial. Down here, we can see Mueller, Lubowitz, and Beer. They have a very low engagement level, a downwards trend line, and a very low conversion probability. Next, we'll open up the account overview by clicking on the account name and scroll down to the contacts list. Pay attention to these contacts marked with stars. This means they're key contacts and want to be your first priority for outreach. Look at each key contact's key product milestones and daily engagement. If you see low milestone counts and little recent activity, these are the users that you need to reach out to right away.